The reason we took this video was to give me directions from the Millennial Mall to the Artagon Mall, but then a rainstorm popped up and we thought this would be a good demonstration on how fast the Orlando summer rainstorm comes and how fast it goes again. Just a note, be prepared for a daily downpour every midday during summer in Orlando. You can easily work your schedule around it, so don't be too concerned about it. The storm only lasts 15 minutes or up to an hour at most, and then the world is clean and fresh once more,
The next
and you can
stoplight
go out
is
and
where you'd
enjoy
be coming on
yourself.
if you turn before the bridge.
How you say that?
I have no idea.
Nope.
You'd be, like I said, if you wanted to come down the other street, you'd turn on that to get to here. Oh boy. It's raining harder now.
The ride was approximately 10 minutes long, and when we got there, we were able to walk into the mall in bright sunshine.